All right, let's take a look at this one. 1995 Chevrolet Tahoe. Obviously the two-door variety. This is an LS trim level, so it does have cloth interior in it. Now, underneath the hood, very reliable. GM 5.7 liter 350. That is paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. It's a 4-speed transmission with overdrive. What I'm going to show you on this one, it's unbelievable, especially for us up here in the Midwest. This car came to us from Texas, is where the folks that have brought it into us got it from. So this is a southern vehicle. I'm going to show you some things in here. It's very, very astonishing when you're used to being around, like I said, Midwestern vehicles that would have salt on the road. Now, I'll tell you where to check out the still pictures. You can take your time looking through those too, and at what I point out, and you'll be able to see it all in the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website. And of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, of course, underneath the hood, along with that 350, power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not got the AC compressor to turn on. It appears that everything is there. May need a charge or a little TLC, but the AC compressor did not turn on. And the other thing, being in Texas, the paint, little bit of sun fade to it. I mean, it still has a nice luster to it, but you can see it if you look up close on the hood. Do have some sun fade there. But what you do gain from being in Texas is take a look at these lower rockers, cab corners, if you will, and then just look at this. Look at how clean that is. And again, this is a 1995, has approximately 190,000 miles on it. I want to show you under the doors. Just look at that. If this had been in Minnesota's life, those would all be gone. Be able to poke your fingers, your whole hand through there. Look above these wheel wells. Another spot that you're always going to see them rusted. So Texas vehicle, just want to point that out, and I'll show you on the other side too. The other thing on this is, remember, it's the maroon. If you've watched my videos before, let me step back here a little bit, but it's a true maroon interior. When I get up on top of it, it will wash it out, but the interior is very nice also. Does show a little bit of wear over on the driver's side. Other than that, not bad at all. Carpeting is good. It's had floor mats in it. The dash is not all cracked or showing a bunch of sun fade. So interior very nice on this, as well as, if you can see that, as well as the headliner in it, also not coming down in nice shape. All right, as far as the rubber on it, tires, great amount of tread left in there, plenty of life left in the tires. Now you will see on the top portion of this, up where the luggage rack is at there, I won't be able to show you from here, but take a look at the still pictures. I have some still pictures from above there. There is some clear coat, been out in the sun, and you can see that. Check it out in the still pictures. But as far as the rust on this vehicle, just unbelievable. Very solid vehicle from the looks of it. Check out the underside pictures too. You'll be able to see them. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, if you're living in the continental United States, be happy to assist you with the transportation needs you may have on this vehicle. And I may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Another spot you'd always see these so rusted is on the back bumpers. Just look at this. Nice a shape that is still in. Lots of times the bottoms of the tailgate would be rusted out and bubbled, but no, all the suspect areas on this one, very nice. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and check out this interior. Take a look at these two, these Weston Nerf bars, not all rusted away, rotting away. Door panel. Now here's the one spot where there was some seat wear, not ripped or torn all the way through, just some of the textures coming off the seat. That's kind of really the only spot I really noticed on the interior. The folks that brought this to us live approximately, I'd say an hour, hour and a half away. They drove it here, not a problem at all. Let me grab the keys. I want to fire this up. Alright, starts easily. Now, as you can see, 196. That's what I got for miles, 196,337. But again, with the 350 in this, a lot of life left. Pioneer aftermarket stereo put in it. Again, look at that dash. And as you can see, no warning indicators, just the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. That's why that one's flashing. I'm going to slip around to the back of this. You can hear it run, then we'll pop the hood, take a look underneath there. Let you see how that looks. Nice sounding. A little aftermarket exhaust on it, possibly. Again, check out those still pictures. You want to see the exhaust on the underside of this. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second while I get the hood popped. But again, look at it. And this here is actually, it's a protective coating that's put on there so it didn't start chipping or rotting or flaking away in the paint. So actually in pretty decent shape right behind the wheels too. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood. Now here's another thing I noticed. The headliners, if you ever look at a headliner from a northern state and we just kind of caked in white, dried white powder on there from salt and what have you. Look how clean that headliner was. And just take a look at the rest of this. Very nice shape. And again, 5.7 liter, 350 V8. Alright. So there you have it. If you're looking for 1995 Chevy Tahoe 2-door edition LS trim that spent much of its time in Texas, here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. This may be available for an extended warranty. It may qualify. Check with your sales associate. And remember, be happy to assist you with the transportation that you may need on this. Give us a